Hi Auto Pips! In the next 5 minutes, matututunan nyo kung paano maging smarter, faster, at productive gamit ang AutoCAD. Pero teka lang, ano nga bang gamit nyo? AutoCAD LT or AutoCAD with toolsets? Ano nga bang difference ng dalawa? Alamin natin yan! AutoCAD LT is good for 2D drafting. Pero kung gusto nyo ng advanced productivity, you go for AutoCAD full version with specialized toolsets. Think of AutoCAD LT as your starter kit. Pero kung full version ng AutoCAD, may buong toolbox ka na. Think of it as something like 1 license equals 8 software. AutoCAD toolsets give you industry-specific commands and libraries. Meaning, wala nang paulit-ulit na manual work.
Huh? Wala na manual drawing?
What?
Oo naman, wala nang manual work kasi preloaded na ang mga tools and commands and even the objects na may kita and available sa market with the AutoCAD full version. Gumagawa ka ba ng floor plans? Paano naman yung mga sections and elevations? Manual mo bang ginagawa ang mga yon? With the architecture toolset, may mga available na mga industry-specific objects within its environment. Meron ng walls, doors, windows, and other architectural object na magagamit mo for your dedicated workflow. Paano naman kapag mga machine parts and assemblies ang workflow mo? We have what we call the mechanical toolset. Because with the mechanical toolset, you can have access up to 700,000 plus standard parts na pwede mo nang gamitin. And not just that, mechanical toolset can also help you generate automatically the bill of materials. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-start from the scratch. Manual circuit drawing, manual wire tagging, ang sakit sa ulo. But with the electrical toolset, it can automate the wire tagging. At hindi lang yan, may access ka rin to thousands of circuit symbols. At kapag schematic and panel layouts, electrical toolset got you. Nagmamanual lines ka pa rin sa ducts, pipes, and circuits? May solusyon tayo para dyan. With the MEP toolset, you will have access to thousands of smart objects na parametric. Kaya kung ang workflow mo ay more on HVAC, pipe, and circuits, you go for MEP toolset. Kailangan mo bang i-incorporate ang CAD designs mo sa GIS data? Meron tayong Map 3D toolset. Dahil kay Map 3D toolset, kaya mo nang mag-incorporate ng GIS data katulad ng roads, utilities, parcels sa AutoCAD designs para kang may Google Maps na engineer-friendly. Plant 3D toolset. Dito, mabilis kang makakagawa ng piping and instrumentation diagrams workflow. Complete sa specs and catalog. Hindi mo na rin kailangan mag-manual drawing because with the Plant 3D toolset, you will have access to thousands of bulbs, pumps, tanks, and other plant equipment because Plant 3D toolset has got you covered. Nahihirapan ka bang i-reuse ang mga old drawings mo? May magic tool tayo para dyan. With the Raster Design Toolset, you can convert the scanned drawings and even the images into an editable DWG file. Lahat ng luma, kaya nang gawing digital with the Raster Design Toolset. So mga Auto Pips, alam niyo na ngayon ang power ng AutoCAD with toolsets. Hindi lang siya pang drafting tool, it's an entire design ecosystem. Kaya kung gusto mo ng mas mabilis, mas smart, at mas precise na productivity, AutoCAD is your way to go. This is Lay, your AutoCAD geek. CAD your way to creativity. See you next time!